I'm a junior researcher, apprentice at Wells & Co. I think the best thing about my job is that every day is different and you don't know what you're going to be doing on a day-to-day basis or who you're going to be speaking to. One day I'm researching something on weight loss, I'm setting up shoots on weight loss, and then the next day I'm doing stuff about beauty pageants, and then the day after that then I'm doing stuff about support for veterans and like legal aid and stuff. Wells & Co is a really nice company to work for. I get a really wide variety. I'm always learning about different things. The best thing about being an apprentice, it's a really nice time to try and find out what interests you and what you really want to focus in on. You know, over the next 6 months, the next year, you might want to do it for your whole career or whatever, but it's really nice. One of the best things about being a Cyfle apprentice is that you get really great opportunities without necessarily having to relocate to London and have all the expenses of that. You know, I can still live in my local area and still know my way around the place and not feel dwarfed by a massive city, but get an amazing opportunity to work on some really great shows.